strategist, and I am here to help you make money and become the person that you need to be to make it and keep it. In this video, we are going to talk about the 5 factors that go into calculating your credit score. Now, it's very important that you understand and know what the credit bureaus are considering when they are calculating your score, especially if you're wanting to improve your score as well as maintain your good credit rating. But before we do, make sure you hit that like button because I know you're going to like this, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. Now, to talk about the 5 factors that go into your credit score, the first would be your payment history. That makes up 35% of your credit score. They want to know, lenders want to know, are you going to pay them back? Are you a good risk factor? So they're looking, do you pay late? Do you have charge-offs, judgments, liens? How do I know that I should lend them money and they're going to give me my money? And so that makes up 35% of your score. Then 30% of it is the amount owed. What credits or lines of credits do you have out there, and how are you paying them back? Do you have a high credit utilization ratio? If you have credit cards, you want to keep that under 30%. They just want to look and know, how much do you owe? How many accounts do you have? And how much do you owe out of those accounts? And then you have 15%, which is the length of credit history. They want to know, how long have you had credit? And are you worthy of the credit? Because a person who's been paying for 20 years and never late is different from someone paying for 2 years and never late. 2 years is not enough time to say whether or not you are a good candidate as it is for a person who's 20 years. And then you have 10%, which is your credit mix. How good of a mix do you have between revolving credit and installments, as well as 10% goes to your new history? How often are you getting more credit? How often are you letting people pull your credit because you're getting credit cards and a car and a house and a boat and whatever it is that you're getting? They want to know, because if you're constantly applying for new credit, then it's kind of like, I don't know if I should lend to them, because they've got too many people out there that they owe money to or will owe money to, and I don't know, because then I might not get my money back. And so they look at that as well. Now, your new history, you can kind of sort of control that. Your length of credit, depending on your age, you can't really control that. But what you want to do is make sure that you have a good mix of credit. You want to make sure that you have a good use of credit with the credit limits and keep your credit utilization ratio low, as well as make sure that you're paying your bills on time. Those 3 factors that you can control will drastically help you over time improve your credit score, as well as be able to maintain the good credit history that you have currently.